On the next quilt show, meet Natalya Khorover. She's originally from Russia, or what was the Soviet Union, and growing up with thrifty values, she has learned to take repurposing to a whole nother level.
And these days I use single-use plastics. Plastic shopping bags, all the plastic that's wrapped around the produce you get at the supermarket, your paper towels, your tissues and all of that, it's all wrapped in plastic that's just gonna go in the trash. It's not recyclable. So it's my way of keeping it out of the ocean.
Wait till you see her innovative work that uses plastic like this over fabric.
Plus, she'll show you how some common items around the house might inspire your next design idea.
And don't miss Ricky's tips for piecing with blue jeans.
We're talking about considerations for how to deal with a hole in your jeans, 2 butt pockets.
Ricky, they're called back pockets.
No, I call them butt pockets.
Well, whatever, okay? But for you, do whatever you can to sit your pockets down for a plethora of inspiring ideas on thequiltshow.com.